Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the BitMart app on your mobile device. So whether you are an Android or iOS user, this guide has you covered. So let's jump right in. BitMart is a popular cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade, buy and sell various cryptocurrencies securely. To start using it, you need to download the official app, and here's how to do it. First, open the App Store if you're using an iOS or Google Play Store if you are on Android. Now tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner. In the search bar at the top, type BitMart and hit search. Make sure to select the official app developed by BitMart Exchange to avoid any fake versions. Once you find the official BitMart app, tap on the install button if you are on Android or get if you are on iOS. The download should begin right away. Once the installation is complete, tap open to launch the BitMart app. So from here, you can either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you are new to BitMart. Follow the on-screen instructions to get started. And yes, that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the BitMart app on your mobile device. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.